In the ever-evolving world of healthcare, some surgeries that weren't even available just a few decades ago are becoming more and more common in today's field. One type of surgery in particular that is becoming increasingly common is cataract surgery, when a cloudy lens from the eye is removed and replaced by a clear artificial one called an intraocular lens, commonly referred to as IOLs. IOLs are artificial lenses designed to permanently replace the eye's natural lens during cataract surgery in order to help restore vision. There are various types of IOLs available on today's market, produced by an abundance of manufacturers. However, ophthalmologists lack reliable storage options specifically designed to secure and transport IOLs. But that's where Harloff comes in. Harloff IOL carts are specially designed to secure, store, and transport IOLs from all of today's top manufacturers, including Alcon, Bausch and Lomb, Rayner, Abbot Medical Optics, and Johnson & Johnson. These carts feature a unique design utilizing the same type of cabinet body seen with our MedStorm Max medical storage cabinets. However, our IOL carts feature unique drawers with built-in dividers, engineered specifically to help organize various types or sizes of IOL boxes. Available in both heavy-duty steel and stainless steel constructions, our IOL cart line consists of 5 different standard designs, featuring various dimensions, as each model has its own unique IOL box capacity. The MS-IOL 840, capable of storing up to 840 IOL boxes. The MS-IOL 1260, capable of storing up to 1,260 IOL boxes. The MS-IOL 1092, capable of storing up to 1,092 IOL boxes, with distinctive drawers that offer 10.75 inches of space, designed to store larger IOL boxes, such as those produced by Johnson & Johnson. The MS-IOL 1470, capable of storing up to 1,470 IOL boxes, and the MS-IOL 1680, capable of storing up to 1,680 IOL boxes. In addition to our standard IOL cart offering, we also recently introduced our new MS-IOL 2700, a 3-column cabinet capable of storing up to 2,700 IOL boxes. Other unique features seen with our IOL carts include integrated recessed side push handles that ease the task of guiding these cabinets when being transported, especially larger models. A variety of locking options, gray rubber corner bumpers that offer additional protection, 5-inch quiet rolling casters for superior mobility, and glass windows that allow for clear visibility of IOL inventory within the cabinet. The outer and inner frames of our IOL carts can also be customized in a similar manner to our MedStorm Max cabinets, such as by adding internal LED lights at the top of the cart's doorway, creating a custom slope top for the roof of carts, or by adding a skirt option to the bottom of an IOL cart to cover the cart's casters. For more information on these unique carts, call 1-800-433-4064 or send an email to medicalsales@harloff.com.